Welcome to 6296 Swan Pointe Drive in Ludington, Michigan. Paradise at its finest. You need to come take a look at the 400 feet of frontage. You have a boathouse, over 2 acres of land. And here's Hamlin Lake, take a look. It is gorgeous. And as soon as you walk into this property, this is the first room you're greeted with, this beautiful 3-season room with ample lighting, with the skylights and Hamlin Lake behind you. Just imagine reading a book, taking a nap. It truly brings you the sense of equanimity. And I want to welcome you to this kitchen, this open concept, brand new stone countertops. You have the granite sink, the Bosch dishwasher, KitchenAid, appliances galore, 2 ovens. You just have to see it for yourself. I want to welcome you to one of my favorite rooms in the entire property. You have almost 30-foot ceilings with a stone fireplace that goes to the second floor and to the basement. Just imagine having a cup of tea or coffee or hot cocoa, and you're looking out at Hamlin Lake, which, by the way, you have about 400 feet of private frontage. And I want to welcome you to the primary bathroom. And it's this long double vanity. You have this walk-in shower that you could seat 10 people in there. But you have to take a look at this primary suite. You have a nice, beautiful walk-in closet with a pocket door. And then you just look out into Hamlin Lake once again. You always have views of Hamlin Lake, which truly is what makes this property very unique and special. You cannot believe what I just saw. A bald eagle. Again, this is what makes this property so special. We're on the second floor. Like I told you before, there are almost 30-foot ceilings with this gorgeous stone fireplace that's featured throughout the entire property. Again, you just have to take a look at this for yourself. At every point, in every aspect of this house, you look out and there's Hamlin Lake. That is the focal point, which is what it should be. Well, hello. I wanted to welcome you to the basement. Can't really call it a basement because look at these ceilings. And one of my favorite features that gives the true authenticity to this property would be this accent wall. It looks like a cross-section of a tree. Just take a look at it for yourself. And do you remember the fireplace from the main family room? Same thing, in the basement like I promised you. So I'm here to feature it for you. Look at this. Look how massive it is. Gorgeous. Imagine sitting here in the winter, watching a nice movie, reminiscing with family. This is where you'd be.